Hello! Okay, so good day to everyone. This time we're going to have our discussion about subtraction of integers. Okay, so in this lesson, it is really very important that punong-puno na ang inyong brain cells ng knowledge about addition of integers. Kasi ang subtraction of integers ay hindi talaga subtraction. Lahat babalik sa addition of integers. Okay? So, let's dig deeper into our lesson for today. Okay, so how do we subtract integers? What we're going to have is we're going to apply the KCC. KCC ha, not KFC. Okay, so KCC. KCC means we're going to apply keep, change, change. Okay, so para saan tong mga to? Okay, let me have a brief introduction about this keep, change, change. Keep means we're going to keep the sign of the given first integer. Change here is to change the operation from minus to plus. And change here is to change the sign of whatever the sign that second integer has. Okay? So, ito yung rule na susundin natin. And then, after nating makip change yung given problem, what we're going to do is we're going to get back on addition of integers. So, dapat, sabi ko nga kanina, dapat punong-puno na ang inyong brain cells ng lesson about addition of integers. Dapat fully understand nyo na siya. Okay? So, anyways, as we go on with our examples naman, mara-recall naman natin kung paano mag-add ng integers kasi yung pa rin naman yung i-apply natin after nating mag-keep, change, change. Okay, so let us have the following example number 1. I have here 3 minus 8. So, nakikita nyo naman, di ba? Naka-minus siya. Alright? So, ang sabi kanina is that we're going to apply keep, change, change. So, how do we do that? It means, kailangan nating parang baguhin yung pagkakaayos ng given problem natin. Hindi kasi pwedeng basta na lang tayo mag-subtract. The rule is, kapag nagsasubtract tayo ng integers, kailangan talagang i-apply itong KCC na to or keep, change, change. So, keep means, gagayahin lang natin kung ano yung naandito sa naunang integer mo. So, you just keep it. So, gagayahin pa rin. Then, next, ang sabi, we have to change this minus. Gagawin daw natin siyang plus. Okay? You get the opposite. Okay? Change. When you change the operation, you get the opposite operation of minus, and that is plus. Then next after that, okay, doon naman tayo sa sunod, which is the change. Change the sign of the given integer here. Okay? So, babaguhin daw natin ang sign niya. Nakikita nyo, okay, yung 8 nakakulong sa box. Yung 8 na yan, I say 8. It's positive. So, ang gagawin natin, babaguhin natin siya. Since positive siya, we're going to make it negative. And then, 8. Okay? So, ayan na. Pag na-change na natin, remember, last time I told you, kapag meron tayong plus dito, at meron tayong negative, na, yung kasunod ay negative, kinakailangan dapat we have to close it into parentheses para hindi tayo maguluhan. Okay? So, eto na ngayon yung hahanapin nating sagot. Kung ano yung sagot natin dito, yun ang sagot sa 3 minus 8. Okay? So, remember, sabi natin nung nakaraan, to find the answer, ang nangyari, Bali, parang nagkaroon tayo ng addition of integers. Nakikita nyo? Okay, 3 plus negative 8. So, how are we going to find the answer to this? Ganito lang naman. You have to remember or recall the rules. Okay, wag na tayo dun sa sign tiles kasi magtatagal tayo kung magsa-sign tiles tayo from time to time. Ang lagi nyo lang tatandaan. Una muna, ang gawin ay identify the sign here. Okay? Ano ba yung sign na nakikita ninyo ng 3 dito? That is positive. Okay? And then next, sinulat ko doon sa bandang itaas para makuha ninyo, masundan natin. Okay? Next, we get the sign of 8 here. Ano ba ang sign ng 8 dito? Negative. So, nakikita ninyo, positive yung isa, negative yung isa. Magkaano? Correct. Magkaiba. Anong sabi niya kapag magkaiba? Magbabawas tayo. Okay? Ibawas natin yung 3 sa 8. I-disregard muna ang sign, ha? Pagkabawas, bale, ang sunod mong gagawin ay, so ibawas natin, ha? Bawas muna natin yung 3 sa 8. Ano ba ang sagot? Correct. That is 5. Then, pagkabawas natin, ang sunod mong gagawin ay sundin yung sign ng mas mataas na integer. So, between 3 and 8, disregard the sign again. So, huwag muna natin pakialaman yung sign. Sino bang mas mataas? Si 3 or si 8? Correct, si 8. So, ang gagawin natin is, sundin natin yung sign niya. Ano ba ang sign ng 8 dito? That is negative. Therefore, your final answer is negative 5. That is your final answer. Okay? Okay, so let us have the following problem. 3 minus negative 8. Okay? So then again, what we're going to do is to apply KCC. So KCC means we're going to keep, change the operation, change the sign. So, applying KCC, this means etong 3 ay magiging 3 pa rin. Change the operation minus to plus. And change the sign of negative 8 here to positive. So, nakikita nyo, di ba, negative siya. See that? Negative. Okay? Pag change natin, di syempre magiging positive. Okay? You just get the opposite sign. Sulat na lang natin 8, ha? Hindi na tayo magsusulat ng plus sign symbol na diniscuss ko in the previous video. Okay? Ayan na! What is 3 plus 8? Di ba? Ang dali. Oo. 3 plus 8, that is equal to 11. So that is already your final answer for number 2. Okay, so let us have number 3. I have here negative 3 minus 8. So how do we find the answer to this? Again, apply KCC. So keep the sign of the first integer. Change the operation to plus. And then change again. So, applyan natin yun ng siha. Change. And then, what we're going to have is, we're going to change the sign of the next integer. So, how do we do that? Okay? Again, keep. So, ibig sabihin, gagayahin lang natin ulit yung negative 3. Change the minus to plus. So, magiging plus to. Now, take a look at your 8 here. Anong sign ng 8 natin dyan? Okay, that is positive. So, kapag change natin, magiging siyang negative 8. Now, again, as you can see, we have here negative 3 plus negative 8. You always have to remember na kapag yung next integer natin ay negative, dapat lagi natin siyang lalagyan ng parenthesis. Kasi kung walang parenthesis, sabi ko nga, maaaring karamihan sa atin ay malito na. Akala nila or isipin natin na yan ay plus minus, which is not correct. Okay? So, this is equal to what? Now, recall the rule. Okay? What we are going to do is, first, identify the sign of negative 3 here. Ano ba ang sign niya? Negative. Okay? So, negative siya. Then, ano ba ang sign ng negative 8 dito? Correct. That's also negative. So, nakikita nyo, negative yung nauna, negative yung pangalawa. So, kapag nagkataon na parehas sila negative, ano nga sabi natin nun sa rule? Gagayahin lang natin, bibilangin lang natin lahat kung ilan silang negative. So, your final answer is negative, and then i-plus nyo na lang yung number na 3 at saka 8. 3 plus 8 is equal to what? Correct, 11. So, your final answer for number 3 is negative 11. Yan na. Okay? Yan na yung sagot doon sa tanong na yun sa taas. Na negative 3 minus 8. Okay, so let us have the next example. Negative 3 minus negative 8. Okay, so apply again KCC. So we're going to have KCC. Keep the sign of the first integer. So we keep negative 3. Gagayahin lang ulit natin siya. Then we change minus to plus. Yun kasi yung rule eh. Okay, yun talaga yung rule. We cannot change the rule. It is already given. Bago pa man siguro tayo may panganak, yun na talaga yung rule sa pag-subtract ng integers. Kailangan mo talaga siyang i-keep, change. Okay? So next, change naman natin yung second integer. Here is negative 8. Pag change natin, tama, magiging positive siya. So, we just write 8 only. Then, after keep, change, what are you going to do? Okay, so you are going to identify the sign of each integer. Ano ang sign ng 3 natin dito? Negative. Ano ang sign ng 8 natin dito? Positive. Apply the rule on adding integer, okay? Apply the rule in adding integers. So, ang sign ng negative 3 natin dito is negative. While ang sign ng 8 natin dito is positive. So, you see, magkaiba ng sign. Tatandaan, kapag magkaiba ng sign, ano ang ginagawa natin? Magbabawas tayo. Ibawas natin yung 3, disregard the sign, bawas natin yung 3 kay 8. Ano bang sagot? Okay, so that is 5. And then, anong sabi? Sundin natin. Tandaan ha, kapag magkaiba ng sign, laging sinusunod yung sign ng mas mataas na number. So, kung titingnan natin yung digit na 3 at saka 8, mas mataas si 8, diba? Therefore, the sign of your final answer is positive. Okay? So, hindi na ako maglalagay ng ganung symbol, ha? Kasi, understood na yon. It is automatic already positive kahit wala kayong nakita positive sign. Okay, so number 5, 8 minus negative 8. There are some students, akala nila pag nakakita na sila ng ganito, ng minus, automatic, sagot agad. Hindi ganun yun ha. Kailangan talaga mag-apply ng KCC, I mean. Okay, so pag nakakita ang estudyante ng ganito, agad-agad sila magsasagot ng 0, which is not correct. Okay, so applying KCC, we're going to have keep, change. So, 8 here, okay, so magiging 8 lang din ulit siya. Then, change the operation minus, kunin natin yung ka-opposite niya, that is plus. Okay, then next, we have negative 8. So, to find change the sign of negative 8, so we're going to have 8. Ayan na, okay? 8 plus 8 is equal to what? Correct. That is 16. Okay, so hindi ko na pina-identify ko ano yung sign ng 8, ano yung sign ng 8 dito. Kasi automatic naman na, alam naman na natin kung anong sagot sa 8 plus 8. Para lang talaga tayong nag-a-add ng whole numbers. Ganun lang. Okay, may mga ilan lang talaga na medyo mapapalito sa atin, lalo na kung may negative integers. Okay, let us have the sixth example. Negative 7 minus negative 7. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, apply KCC again. So, keep, change, change. Keep negative 7 here. So, we're going to have negative 7 ulit. Then, yung minus, change, magiging plus. Then, negative 7 here. Okay, change, magiging positive 7. So, negative 7 plus 7 is equal to what? Ano nga sabi natin noon? Ang sign ng 7 dito, yung naunang 7 is negative, while ang sign ng pangalawang 7 dito is positive. Okay? Magkaiba. Ano ang ginagawa natin? Kapag magkaiba ng sign, kapag yung isa ay negative at yung isa ay positive, binabawas natin. Okay? Kaya lang din, nagkataon na parehas sila. 7, pag nagbawas tayo, malamang syempre ang tira ay 0. Okay? Ngayon, kapag sinulat mo na ang 0, huwag mo na siyang maglalagyan ng negative. Okay? Sabi natin, walang sign ang 0. Hindi mo rin siya pwedeng tawagin na positive 0 kasi nga, di ba? Remember in our number line, yung 0 nasa gitna. To the right of 0 is the set of positive integers, and to the left of 0 is the set of negative integers. Okay? So, yun. Okay? So, let us have the seventh example. I have here 0 minus negative 7. So, 0, apply KCC first. Okay, so apply KCC, K, C, C, keep. So, keep 0. Change minus to plus. Change negative 7 to positive 7. So, 0 plus 7 is equal to what? Okay, that is 7. That is your final answer. Okay? Okay, so number 8 na tayo. Apply KCC. Keep, change, change. So, keep negative 10. So, ganun pa rin siya, negative 10. Change minus to plus. So, magiging plus to. And then, change negative 7 to positive. Magiging positive siya. So, magiging 7 na lang siya. Okay? And then, to find the answer to this, first, determine the sign of the first integer. Ito ay negative. Yung sumunod ay positive. Ano nga sabi natin? Kapag negative yung isa, tsaka positive yung isa, magkaiba ng sign? Ibawas natin yung 7 sa 10. Disregard the sign. So, ang matitira ay 3. However, do not forget, ang sign ng 10 dito ay negative, ang sign ng 7 dito ay positive, magkaiba sila. So, ang gagawin natin ay hanapin natin kung sino yung mas mataas. Okay? 10, disregard the sign again. 10 or 7, alin sa dalawang mas mataas? Correct, yung 10. Ang gagawin natin ay, dahil siya yung panalo, ang sign ng final answer mo ay negative. That is your final answer. Okay? Negative 3. Okay, so let us have the ninth example. Negative 12 minus 10. This is equal to what? Apply, keep, change, change. So, applying keep, change. This will be equal to negative 12. Okay, change the operation from minus to plus. And then, try to look at your 10 here. 10 here is positive. So, when we change it into, pag change natin siya, magiging siyang negative 10. Okay? So, yan na. Do not forget again, na kapag dapat ay negative yung kasunod na integer, there must be always a parenthesis. Then, solve. Okay? Paano natin mahanap ang sagot nito? Tingnan muna natin yung 12. Ano ba ang sign niya? Negative. Tingnan natin yung 10. Ano ba ang sign niya? Negative. In short, like. sila ng signs. Magkapareha sila ng signs. Negative, negative. So, kapag magkaparehas ng signs, ano ang ginagawa natin doon? Kinokopya lang natin yung sign para sa final answer natin. And then, gayahin natin, magbawas na tayo. Hindi tayo magbabawas, okay? Hindi tayo magbabawas. Ang gagawin natin ay pagsamahin lang natin si 12 at saka si 10. 12 plus 10 is equal to what? 22. So, our final answer is negative 22. Okay, so let us now have the last example, but not the least. Apply KCC, so keep, change, change. What do you think is the final answer to this? To answer that, syempre, keep, 3 pa rin siya. Syempre, minus, change, magiging plus. Syempre, negative, therefore, pag change, magiging positive 9. Ayan na. Okay, hindi ko na i-explain, hindi ko na i-elaborate. 3 plus 9 is equal to what? Correct, that is 12. That is your final answer for number 10.